Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. The day of rest for most people, but not this chef. Nope. Last night, after coming back from Sacramento with Robin, I prepared cheese and chicken enchiladas with some homemade green sauce I had in the freezer. Oh, they were good. The sauce was just spicy enough. Yummy. Robin went home with leftovers. Yeah. I believe she actually loved the enchiladas. I can always get to her heart food-wise with Mexican food. Tonight, I am preparing a simple lasagna. I'm keeping it simple. There's a little twist in here, which it's a decision I made about a week ago when I was putting this week's menu together. I wanted to try something different. So let's get to it. All right, we're going to be starting off with some hamburger and ground Italian sausage. Of course, kosher salt, black pepper. I'll be using lasagna sheets, not your standard noodles. That's not the twist. Crushed tomatoes, petite cut or diced tomatoes, about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, hence why we have the jar. I'm going to dice half of this red onion. Gotta have garlic for lasagna. Some red wine. The herbs are as follows: Mediterranean basil, Mediterranean oregano, some ground thyme, some ground rosemary, some dried parsley, and a bay leaf. Now the cheeses: mozzarella, sharp cheddar, grated Parmesan, and here's the twist. I'm not doing ricotta. Actually, I'm not a big fan. I'm going to be using a crumbled goat cheese. What's better on a cold, damp evening other than soup? Lasagna. I'm only doing a half recipe. I'm not doing a full-blown 9x13. Technically, there's just still 2. Actually, now there's just 2 of us be eating this. So there'll be leftovers for Robin. There'll be leftovers for me. All's right in the world. So, what are your Sunday evening plans? Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.